Technology, your digital farming revolution. The technology transformation in dairy farming over the past 7 years has been nothing short of revolutionary. We've moved from basic record keeping to sophisticated AI-driven farm management systems that are changing everything about how farms operate. Here's the foundational truth that drives everything else. Data is the key to unlocking progress. Modern farms collect thousands of data points daily, enabling process tracking, performance breakdown identification, and future planning. But here's what's really important. The true value of this data is realized when compared year on year to identify trends and opportunities. Bright ideas are the genesis of technological innovations. When embraced at the right time, they lead to efficient methods, advanced tools, and new products that contribute to industry success. The farms that have thrived over the past 7 years are those that recognized and adopted these innovations early. Technology integration has revolutionized herd monitoring and management, moving toward precision farming approaches. Modern milk producers are heavily reliant on technology to manage animal health, milking, energy consumption, and waste, enabling more informed decisions and improved stewardship. The genomic revolution started with breakthrough testing capabilities. CLARIFIDE Plus emerged as the leading genomic test for reliably selecting heifers for production and wellness, utilizing the Dairy Wellness Profit Index. This represents what many consider the pinnacle of precision farming in animal breeding. Genomic selection allows reliable evaluation of an animal's future performance from DNA samples as early as birth. This early genetic information has transformed breeding strategies, enabling farmers to make informed decisions about individual animals' roles in breeding programs years before they would traditionally have performance data. Strategic breeding decisions now use genomic programs to determine whether to use sex semen on top genetic animals or beef bulls on lower genetic merit animals based on comprehensive genetic merit evaluations. This accelerates genetic progress and optimizes replacement strategies in ways that were impossible before genomic technology. Automated monitoring systems have transformed daily management routines. Automated milk recording systems provide individual cow data on milk quantity, fat, and protein, aiding in early detection of health issues and guiding feeding plans. This level of individual animal monitoring was previously impossible at scale. Automated milking systems allow cows to be milked on demand, promoting comfort and reducing stress. This technology represents a fundamental shift from schedule-based to cow-centered milking, improving both animal welfare and production efficiency. Activity monitors for estrus detection and health monitoring systems, tracking rumination and temperature, have become integrated tools that provide continuous health surveillance. These systems can detect subtle changes that human observation might miss, enabling earlier intervention. Automated radio frequency identification systems identify, track, and manage animals wirelessly, providing crucial information that previously required manual observation and record keeping. This technology has eliminated many routine tasks while improving accuracy and data completeness. Feed management technology has advanced dramatically over 7 years. Automated feeding systems enable precise implementation of feeding strategies through central process control systems managing feedstuff, rations, groups, locations, and frequency. This level of precision was previously impossible with manual feeding systems. These automated systems minimize labor requirements by automating tasks like filling equipment, allowing for more detailed animal grouping by lactation stage, dry cows, and young stock to optimize nutrition. The labor savings are substantial while improving feeding precision. Automated systems provide reports on feed distribution, mixing time, and consumption. When combined with milk production or weight gain data, they offer real-time insights for feed efficiency adjustments that enable continuous optimization. DeLaval mobile mixers ensure accurate dosing and homogeneous mixing through unique auger and chamber designs, even handling round bales. This technology guarantees consistent feed quality across batches, which is essential for optimal nutrition and production. IoT devices have become standard equipment on progressive progressive farms. Level sensors enable real-time monitoring of feed inventory, preventing shortages and minimizing waste while ensuring a steady nutritional supply. Camera systems provide visual monitoring of feed conditions and animal behavior. Automated weighing systems enable continuous tracking of feed consumption patterns, providing data that helps optimize feeding strategies and identify potential issues before they become problems. Advanced analytical technology has emerged as a game changer for quality control. FTNIR spectroscopy with the MPA2 dairy analyzer offers an all-in-one solution for testing a full range of dairy products from raw milk to finished goods, enabling real-time quality monitoring and process optimization. A new sensor system developed by Voronezh State University of Engineering Technologies shows promise for assessing bacteria in raw milk, enhancing quality control capabilities, and food safety assurance through better monitoring technology. Software platforms have simplified complex management tasks. Topcon's Tap Feed application optimizes feed management practices. Blockchain and IoT devices are enhancing supply chain visibility for dairy animal feed ingredients, ensuring transparency, reducing contamination risks, and delivering high-quality feed. The Nile Inputs Marketplace provides an online platform for sourcing agricultural inputs, emphasizing personalized service and quality products. The Agri Voice App provides free access to agricultural news, video interviews with experts, and event highlights, democratizing access to information. Dairy management consulting translates complex farm data into readable formats, facilitating year-on-year comparisons for performance insights. This service demonstrates the value of expert interpretation of technology-generated data. Artificial intelligence has moved from experimental to essential. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data for tracking and tracing dairy products, enhancing food safety and quality. It also aids in feed recommendations for optimizing milk output and reducing methane emissions. AI enables predictive analytics that use historical data to forecast future performance and identify optimization opportunities. Digital shelf analytics tools are used by companies like Arla to measure and optimize performance in digital retail environments. Industry events showcase rapid technological advancement. The 2024 SA Large Herds Conference featured topics such as satellite pasture measurement and new semen technology, showcasing the integration of advanced tools into daily farm operations. Eurotier 2024, as a leading trade fair, focuses on technical innovations that enhance competitiveness and animal welfare through automation and digitalization. These events demonstrate global trends and emerging technologies. Dairy farmers in South Africa are recognized for transforming the industry by integrating cutting-edge technology into daily operations, improving efficiency, profitability, and sustainability. This transformation represents a fundamental shift in how farming operations are managed. Technology adoption considerations are crucial for success. While automation facilitates data collection, maximizing its value requires careful analysis, correlation, and interpretation by knowledgeable individuals. Technology amplifies good management practices rather than replacing fundamental farming knowledge. The most effective operations use technology to enhance decision-making while maintaining focus on animal welfare and operational efficiency. Strategic implementation is more important than simply adopting the latest technology. Return on investment considerations ensure that technology investments deliver measurable benefits. The most successful farms carefully evaluate technology purchases based on their potential to improve efficiency, profitability, and sustainability. Technology evolution continues to accelerate. Blockchain and IoT integration is enhancing supply chain transparency and traceability. Quantum computing applications are beginning to emerge for complex optimization problems that exceed classical computing capabilities. Mobile technology and cloud computing are enabling remote management and real-time decision-making from anywhere. This accessibility is particularly valuable for large operations or farms with multiple locations. The integration of multiple technologies creates synergistic effects where the combined impact exceeds the sum of individual technologies. Successful farms focus on creating integrated technology ecosystems rather than implementing isolated solutions. Training and education remain critical for technology success. The most advanced technology is only valuable if farm staff understand how to use it effectively and interpret the data it generates. Key insight. Technology adoption in dairy farming requires strategic integration, combining data management, automated systems, monitoring technologies, and analytical tools. Success comes from understanding that technology amplifies good management practices rather than replacing fundamental farming knowledge. The most effective operations use technology to enhance decision-making while maintaining focus on animal welfare and operational efficiency. The 7-year transformation from 2018 to 2024 has shown that farms embracing integrated technology systems consistently outperform those relying solely on traditional methods.